Alex knows. Hi, I'm Alex. Do you know what kind of vehicles are used in construction? Let's take a look at them. First comes the grader. It has a blade in the middle. Grader levels the ground with his blade. Then a truck for transport heavy loads brings an excavator. Excavator digs big pit with its bucket. The excavated ground is picked up by a wheel loader. And loaded into a dump truck. The dump truck takes the ground to another place. He can unload the ground himself from the dump box by lifting it. Here is a concrete mixer driving to the construction site. There is concrete in his tank. The tank constantly spins so that the concrete does not have time to harden. The concrete mixer drives up to the pits that the excavator has dug and pours concrete into them. When the concrete hardens, here will be a solid foundation. The house will firmly stand on it. Now, a tower crane get together from different parts. It can lift heavy loads on a big height. Many buildings are built this way. Did you like the video? Push like button and subscribe to the channel. Then you won't miss new videos. See you soon.